Stop putting Vaseline on your lips tonight. Serious. It's actually keeping your lips trapped in a dry, dark cycle. If you want baby soft, naturally pink lips by tomorrow morning for literally $0, you need to throw this away and use a beetroot instead. Here is the truth. Petroleum jelly doesn't actually moisturize. It just creates a barrier that locks in dry air. But beetroot? It's packed with natural antioxidants and vitamins that actively dissolve dark pigmentation and boost blood circulation in your lips. Here is the 1010th viral recipe. First, grate a small piece of fresh beetroot and squeeze out the pure juice. Now, mix half a teaspoon of that juice with just a tiny bit of Vaseline and 2 drops of rose water. Mix it until it turns into this gorgeous, glossy pink balm. Apply this generously right before you go to sleep. Leave it overnight, and when you wake up, look at this. Completely soft, naturally tinted pink lips without spending a single penny. If your lips look amazing now, wait until you see how to transform your entire face in just one day. Click the related video right below too. Watch my exact 24-hour full body glow up routine. Don't forget to subscribe for more $0 beauty secrets.